Many people suffer from sound sensitivity and may struggle to separate background noise from the speaker's voice. You can wear ear defenders to help lower the background noise, but this also lowers the voice of the speaker, making it difficult to hear anything at all. Where WhispEar can help is that the speaker wears the transmitter and the microphone, and the listener listens via the earpiece, which can be worn over ear or it can be inserted into the ear defenders, and this brings the speaker's voice directly to the listener's ear and thus makes them feel more included and enables them to focus more intently on what's being said in the room.